Somebody asked about how to knit with yarn in each hand. So you can see I've got pink in my right and the sort of grey blue in that colour. In my left hand. So I'm going to knit 3. So I'm going into that stitch and I'm just going to grab the grey yarn. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make sure they're nice and spaced out, those stitches, and then I'm going to do 3 with my other finger. And what this means is that your yarns are never going to get tangled. So you don't have that when you come to the end of the round of having to separate the yarns out, which takes up time. And then I'm going to not pull too tight for the float. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you can't get your head around having a yarn in your left hand and you're used to just knitting the English way, you can still make sure your strands don't get tangled. Let's see if I can do this better so you can see. By always choosing one yarn that you're going to take from the bottom. So I'm going to take the grey, dark grey from the bottom. So when it comes to, I finished with the pink, I lay it over the top, and then I'm going to knit 1, 2, 3. I'm going to drop that down. I'm picking this up from the top, so it's going over. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to leave this on the top, and I'm picking the dark colour up from under.